Hello, English learners. Welcome back to World English Studio. My name is Michael. I am happy you are here today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Elizabeth. Michael sounds very excited today.
I am. It's a beautiful day to learn English.
We are very happy to see you again. Today, we are in the city.
You can probably hear the city sounds around us.
Yes, real English in a real place.
Before we start, Elizabeth, do you like traveling in the city?
Yes, Michael. I like seeing people in cars.
Me too. The city is full of life.
And you can hear many English words everywhere.
That is why learning English in the city is fun. The city is busy and loud. Sometimes we need to go somewhere fast.
That's right. When you are in a city, taxis are very helpful. But you need the right English words,
Without the right words, things can get confusing.
especially when you are in a hurry.
Taking a taxi is easy, but speaking English in a taxi can be scary. Today we will help you.
We will show you what to say. We will show you how to ask questions. And we will teach you new words.
Simple words, but very useful words.
Words you can use every day.
The driver is a taxi driver.
The passenger is a traveler going to the train station.
They do not know each other.
This is very common when you travel.
Yes, so clear English is important.
Michael, sometimes I feel nervous in a taxi.
Me too. I worry I will not understand the driver.
But practicing English makes it easier.
Yes, and being polite always helps. Let's listen to a taxi conversation. Good morning. Where are you heading to today?
Hi, I need to go to Grand Central Station, please.
Oh, okay. Do you have any bags?
Yes, I have one large suitcase. Can I put it in the trunk?
Sure. Let me open the trunk for you. Okay, please get in.
Thank you. I am in a hurry. My train leaves in 30 minutes.
Traffic is very bad right now. It is rush hour.
Oh no, do you think we will be on time?
I think so. I can take a shortcut through the park.
That sounds good. Please take the fastest route.
Do you want the air conditioner on? It is very hot today.
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
Are you traveling for business or pleasure?
I am visiting my family. I will stay for the weekend.
That is nice. We are almost there. Do you want the main entrance?
No, please. Please drop me off at the side entrance. It is less crowded.
No problem. I will pull over here.
Great. How much is the fare?
The meter says $15.50.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry. The machine is broken today. Cash only.
Okay, here is $20.
I will get your change.
That's okay. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much. Let me help you with your bag.
Thank you. Can I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt. Have a safe trip.
The trip is finished. The driver and passenger say goodbye politely.
Wow. That credit card machine is always broken.
I know, Michael. This happens all the time. Always carry some cash,
That's good travel advice.
especially in a busy city.
Did you notice how the driver helped with the bag?
Yes, that was very kind.
It is good to say thank you in English.
Polite words make travel easier.
At least the driver helped with the bag. And he took a shortcut.
Yes. Now let's learn the vocabulary.
Elizabeth, have you ever forgotten where to put your bag in a taxi?
Oh, yes. I was confused the first time.
Me too. It is important to know the word. When you travel, where do you put your bag in a car?
In the back. But I sometimes forget the word.
What do we call the back of the car where we put our bags?
The word is trunk.
That's right. It's called a trunk.
That will help beginners a lot. Elizabeth, let's learn it slowly together.
Trunk.
Trunk.
The trunk is the storage space in the back of a car.
Example 1.
Put your groceries in the trunk.
Example 2.
My trunk is full of sports equipment.
Example 3.
Can you open the trunk, please?
In American English, we say trunk.
In British English, they say boot.
So in London, you put your bag in the boot.
Different word, same meaning.
English can be fun like that. So when we travel, always put your luggage in the trunk.
Yes, and in London, remember they say boot instead.
That example about groceries was easy to remember.
Yes, small examples help learners.
I think learners will use this word every day.
Exactly. That is the goal.
Michael, the city is very busy in the morning.
Yes, that is why we need a word for busy traffic.
I sometimes feel stressed in rush hour. Why does it take so long to get through the city in the morning?
That's because it's rush hour, Elizabeth. Don't worry. We will practice this word slowly.
Sometimes traffic is very slow.
Yes, that's why we need a word for it.
I always get worried about being late.
Don't worry. Let's learn rush hour. Rush hour.
Rush hour.
Rush hour is the time when traffic is very busy.
Example 1.
I was late because of rush hour.
Example 2.
Let's leave early to avoid rush hour.
Example 3.
Rush hour starts at 5 o'clock.
Many people go to work then.
Many people go home then.
Everyone leaves for work or comes home during rush hour.
That's why planning ahead is so important. Did you notice how many people travel at the same time?
Yes, everyone goes to work or school.
Planning ahead is very important.
I always leave early to avoid rush hour.
Before we slow it down, do you remember your first taxi ride in the city?
Oh yes, Michael. I was nervous,
Me too. I didn't know the words I needed.
but the driver was very kind.
That's right. Being polite helps a lot.
And asking questions slowly is okay.
Exactly. Slow and clear English makes everything easier. That was a fast conversation. Let's slow it down. Listening slow again helps learning.
You can hear new words.
You can hear pronunciation.
Don't worry if it's fast.
Practice makes it easy.
Now you know the meaning.
Let's listen again.
We will listen again. Pay attention to how he asks for changes to his drink.
Good morning. Where are you heading to today?
Hi, I need to go to Grand Central Station, please.
Oh, okay. Do you have any bags?
Yes, I have one large suitcase. Can I put it in the trunk?
Sure. Let me open the trunk for you. Okay, please get in.
Thank you. I am in a hurry. My train leaves in 30 minutes.
Traffic is very bad right now. It is rush hour.
Oh no. Do you think we will be on time?
I think so. I can take a shortcut through the park.
That sounds good. Please take the fastest route.
Do you want the air conditioner on? It is very hot today.
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
Are you traveling for business or pleasure?
I am visiting my family. I will stay for the weekend.
That is nice. We are almost there. Do you want the main entrance?
No, please. Please drop me off at the side entrance. It is less crowded.
No problem. I will pull over here.
Great. How much is the fare?
The meter says $15.50.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry. The machine is broken today. Cash only.
Okay, here is $20.
I will get your change.
That's okay. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much. Let me help you with your bag.
Thank you. Can I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt. Have a safe trip.
Elizabeth, have you ever been late and needed a faster road?
Yes, sometimes I am in a hurry. Yes, I looked for a shortcut.
That is why we use the word shortcut.
Taxi drivers often know the best shortcuts. Michael, the driver, took a different road. What is that called?
That's a shortcut, Elizabeth. A faster way to get there.
A shortcut can help you arrive faster.
Let's learn more words after slower listening. Shortcut.
Shortcut.
A shortcut is a faster way.
Example 1.
I know a shortcut to school.
Example 2.
The driver took a shortcut.
Example 3.
Do not take a dark shortcut.
Taxi drivers know many shortcuts.
That is why taxis are helpful.
Shortcut roads can save a lot of time.
Taxi drivers often know the best shortcuts in a city.
Shortcuts are helpful, but we must be careful.
Yes, never take a dark or unsafe shortcut.
Safety first. How do we know the taxi fare?
We check the meter, Elizabeth. Let's talk about the next word. Elizabeth, how do we know how much to pay in a taxi?
We look at the meter.
Yes, this shows the cost of the trip.
Very useful word for travelers.
Let's learn this word. Meter.
Meter.
The meter shows the price.
Example 1.
Is the meter on?
Example 2.
The meter says $10.
Example 3.
The driver forgot the meter.
Always check the meter to avoid paying too much.
This helps you pay the right price.
It tells you how much you pay. Yes, and ask the driver politely if you do not understand.
Small questions help learners feel confident. Elizabeth, are you ready to listen at normal speed?
I'm a little nervous, Michael. It might be fast.
Don't worry. You already know the words.
That helps me feel more confident.
Yes, and listening to natural speed is good practice for real life.
I like it when we practice together. It makes me brave.
Exactly. Let's do this slowly in our mind, then listen naturally.
Listening at full speed is sometimes scary.
Don't worry. We know the words.
Practicing together helps me feel brave.
Exactly. Let's try our natural speed conversation slowly in our mind first. All right, are you ready to take a taxi?
Let's listen to the dialogue one last time at natural speed.
Good morning. Where are you heading to today?
Hi, I need to go to Grand Central Station, please.
Oh, okay. Do you have any bags?
Yes, I have one large suitcase. Can I put it in the trunk?
Sure. Let me open the trunk for you. Okay, please get in.
Thank you. I am in a hurry. My train leaves in 30 minutes.
Traffic is very bad right now. It is rush hour.
Oh no. Do you think we will be on time?
I think so. I can take a shortcut through the park.
That sounds good. Please take the fastest route.
Do you want the air conditioner on? It is very hot today.
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
Are you traveling for business or pleasure?
I am visiting my family. I will stay for the weekend.
That is nice. We are almost there. Do you want the main entrance?
No, please. Please drop me off at the side entrance. It is less crowded.
No problem. I will pull over here.
Great. How much is the fare?
The meter says $15.50.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry. The machine is broken today. Cash only.
Okay, here is $20.
I will get your change.
That's okay. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much. Let me help you with your bag.
Thank you. Can I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt. Have a safe trip.
Wow, that was fast, Michael.
Yes, but it is how people speak in real life.
I understood many words.
With practice, you will understand even more.
Talking to a driver will feel easier next time, but it was a good practice.
Yes, but you did very well. Did you understand most of it?
I think so. Some words were quick, but I remember the important ones.
That's normal. Listening fast gets easier with practice.
And it feels more like real life.
Exactly. Talking to a taxi driver is not always slow.
I like that we can practice together. It makes me feel confident.
Me too. Our learners can practice with a friend like we did.
Yes, and speaking slowly at first helps a lot.
Then listening at natural speed becomes fun.
Learning English is easier with a friend.
I agree. Little by little, learners will feel brave in the city. I feel the same.
How do I prove I paid the driver?
You ask for a receipt, Elizabeth. Exactly. Our next word is receipt. Elizabeth, why do we need a receipt?
To show that we paid.
Exactly. A receipt is important for records.
Sometimes people forget to ask for it.
That is why we must learn this word. Elizabeth, have you ever forgotten to ask for proof of payment?
Yes. Then I worried about paying the right amount.
That is why a receipt is important.
Let's learn it.
Receipt.
Receipt.
A receipt shows what you paid.
Example 1.
I need a receipt.
Example 2.
Keep your receipt.
Example 3.
She lost her receipt.
The P is silent.
Yes, we say receipt.
This is important for records.
Or for work expenses.
Michael, I like the example about keeping a receipt.
Yes, it is simple but useful.
I will remember it next time I take a taxi.
Small words like this make travel easier. Exactly. Elizabeth, do you like taxis?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like them?
They are fast,
I like taxis too.
but they can be expensive.
That is true.
Buses are cheaper
But buses are slow.
and very crowded.
Have you ever missed a train?
Yes, many times.
Me too.
It is very stressful.
That is why timing is important.
Yes, and clear English helps.
What if the driver does not understand you?
Then you repeat slowly.
And use simple words,
Yes, very simple words.
like station and hotel.
And airport.
Elizabeth, do you usually tip taxi drivers?
Yes,
How much do you tip?
about 10%.
Very polite. Tipping shows respect.
Yes, drivers appreciate it. I also say thank you to the driver.
That is polite. Polite words and small tips help everyone feel happy. What if you do not have cash?
That is a problem. Michael, I sometimes forget cash.
Yes, always carry some cash just in case.
That is good advice.
Cash is important because machines sometimes do not work. Always carry some cash.
That is good advice.
Do you talk to taxi drivers?
Sometimes.
What do you talk about?
The weather.
Everyone talks about the weather.
It is easy English.
Do drivers talk fast?
Yes, sometimes too fast.
What should learners do?
Ask them to repeat.
That is okay to do.
Yes, do not be shy.
Learning English takes practice.
And listening helps a lot.
This lesson is useful.
I hope so.
I think our learners will enjoy it.
Me too.
Elizabeth, we learned many words today.
Yes, trunk, rush hour, shortcut, meter, receipt.
And phrases like drop me off and pull over.
All very useful for beginners.
Practicing with a friend makes it easy to remember. We learned many useful words today.
Yes, let's review them together. The storage in the back of the car.
Trunk,
Busy traffic time.
rush hour,
A faster way.
shortcut,
Let me out of the car.
drop me off,
Stop the car on the side.
pull over,
The cost of the trip.
fare.
Michael, I feel ready to take a taxi alone now.
Me too. Practice makes learners brave.
Even simple English can help in the city.
Exactly. Little by little, learners will improve.
And speaking with friends makes learning fun.
Great job today, everyone.
Practice these conversations out loud.
Try using them in real life.
Even simple English is powerful.
Elizabeth, I had a lot of fun teaching today.
Me too, Michael.
We hope this lesson helps you in the city.
Practice these words every day.
Be safe when you travel.
And always wear your seatbelt.
See you next time.
Goodbye.